Do you want to optimize your classes and save memory? Python has a hidden gem that, let's say we have just created the class my class, and inside that we have initialized the three variables, and we are creating the object of the my class, and then we are printing the attributes of the object. Let's execute the program. That we got all the attributes that we have defined inside the class. If we want to add new attributes to the object, we can just type obj.a. A is nothing but the new attributes. We assign the new value to it, let's say 40. You can see that we have added new attributes. A is equals to 40, but there is one problem using this code. So imagine you have thousands of attributes in the class, and normally Python uses the dictionary to store the attributes of the object. While it gives a flexibility to add new attributes to the Python object, it eats up a lot of memory. We are using double underscore slots and double underscore, and we're finding the attributes that we want inside the object. Now, if you execute the code again, and you can see that my class object has no dictionary attribute. So that means when we define the slot inside the my class, the Python does not create the dictionary of the objects. And if you want to add a new attributes to the my class object, it throws error saying my class object has no attribute A. Slot mechanism in Python comes with a trade-off. It gives very less flexibility, but it saves a lot of memory. That if you are building a performance critical application, you should consider using the slot. For more such important tips and tricks like this video, follow and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you.